You've set up your prompting, your time savers, and your custom instructions. Now, let's level up. Instead of describing things to Claude, just hand it your actual files. Claude can read your files directly: PDFs, spreadsheets, documents, and even photos and screenshots. You upload it, Claude reads it, and you go from there. Why does this matter? Because you stop copy-pasting and retyping. Claude works straight from the real thing, so the answers are grounded in your actual stuff. It's simple. Click the little paperclip in the message box or just drag a file straight into the chat. Then tell Claude what you want done with it. Use 1, contracts and the fine print. Drop in a rental agreement and ask your questions in plain English. Like, what's the mileage limit and the late return fee in this agreement? Claude points you right to it. No reading the whole thing. Use 2, spreadsheets. Upload your bookings or your expenses and let Claude crunch the numbers and spot the patterns. For example, which weekend was our busiest and what's the average rental length? You get the insight in seconds instead of building a formula. Use 3, long documents. Upload a policy, a manual, or a pile of notes and reshape it into whatever you actually need. Say, turn this rental policy into a 1-page customer FAQ. Long and dense becomes short and clear, ready to hand a customer. Use 4, photos and screenshots. Claude can actually see images, a handwritten note, a paper form, even a photo of damage on a returned car. Like, read this handwritten booking note and turn it into a clean confirmation email. Straight from a photo to a finished task. Use 5, templates. Upload an invoice or an email you already like and have Claude match that exact format for something new. For example, make a new invoice for this customer in the same layout. Consistent and on-brand every single time. Here's the power move: stack it. Upload the contract and ask for 2 things at once: a plain English summary for you and a friendly reply for the customer. 1 step, both done. A pro tip: you can add several files at once. Try compare these 2 supplier quotes or combine these 3 sets of notes into 1 plan. One good habit? This is perfect for your business documents. Just be thoughtful with sensitive personal details and only share what the task actually needs. One thing to avoid: don't just dump a file with no instructions. You'll get a vague reply. Always tell Claude exactly what to do with it. So there are your 5: contracts, spreadsheets, long documents, photos, and templates. And that's the payoff. Claude stops giving generic advice and starts working with your real business. Your files, your numbers, your customers. Tomorrow, we give Claude a permanent home base for your business using projects. Remember, 1 tip a day keeps the busy work away. Hit subscribe and check back tomorrow.